there are three question sheet is asking about the NIR. The other three is about quality modeling is very even distributed. So I start with the NIR and try to make a simple response. And here was asked that what kind of NIR is used in the study. And for the best result, the NIR with the continuous wavelength scanning would be the most suitable and most precise machine. There are some old type of NIR have the fixed wavelength. The prediction is not quite good. So if you can get any NIR machine with the continuous scanning, it would be suitable for the analysis. And there are different kind of price. Actually, you don't need to buy the most expensive one. The basic one is quite good enough. And the NIR used by data chain is very basic model of the NIR machine. And also it was asked that whether sample can be sent to data chain to try on the NIR machine. I think that's a possible way to do that. Also, they are there in the United States or other countries. They have commercial lab. They can do the NIR analysis. But the key point is that you have to know that every data set collected in the machine used in Taiwan or used in the United States, they are both based on the sample set collected from Taiwan or collected in the United States. They have some difference between different region sample. So in the beginning you can try, but in the end, I think in every country you have to establish your own calibration set in order to build a good calibration. And also you can share. You don't need to buy one NIR machine for each lab. Actually, in Taiwan, there's only one NIR machine used by data chain to scan all the samples across Taiwan. There's another machine in the headquarters of Livestock Research Institute, but that NIR used for the concentrate analysis. So in whole Taiwan, just one machine. So I think it's possible to do in every country. Just share the machine to do the analysis. And what's the weakness about the NIR analysis? The weakness is it cannot predict any sample is outside the calibration set. So if you have an ordinary sample, very different to the original set, the data set cannot give a good prediction. So once you have that kind of sample, the program will show a red character to warn you that this sample is out of range. You have to do the chemical analysis. So you have that kind of signal show up in the screen. You will need to do the chemical analysis. I think basically a sample question about the NIR is about covered by my answer now. And let me move to the question about the quality modeling. One question about the